Hey everyone, welcome to App and Web Workshop. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit a video on Facebook. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're on the homepage, tap the status box at the top where it says What's on your mind. Tap on Gallery. Select the video you want to post from your camera roll, then tap Next. Now, tap on Edit or pencil icon in the top right corner of the video. This opens Facebook's video editor with editing options on the right side. Tap the text icon to add text overlays to your Facebook video. Type your text and position it anywhere on the video. You can customize the text by changing the font style, color, and alignment. Tap the audio icon to add music to your Facebook video. Browse through Facebook's music library and select a song. If you prefer, you can add a voiceover instead by tapping the voiceover option. This lets you record your own audio over the video. You can also add stickers, filters, and effects to make your Facebook video more engaging. Once you're done editing your video, tap Next. Here, you can adjust post settings like audience and privacy. After that, tap Post in the bottom right corner to share your edited video on Facebook. And that's how you edit a video on Facebook. If this tutorial helped, like and subscribe to App and Web Workshop for more Facebook tips and video editing tutorials. Thanks for watching.